In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a location in SmartThings. If you want to organize your devices by place or use location-based automations like arriving home or leaving the office, setting up a location correctly is an important first step. The process is simple, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along on either an Android phone or an iPhone. Start by opening the SmartThings app on your phone. If the app asks you to sign in, go ahead and log into your Samsung account. Make sure you're fully signed in before moving forward, because location settings are tied to your SmartThings account and won't save properly if you're not logged in. Once you're in the app, tap the My Home menu. This will open a drop-down list with additional options. From that list, choose Manage Locations. This is the section where you can view your existing locations and create new ones for different places you want to manage inside SmartThings. Next, add a new location. Depending on your version of the app, you may see an Add Location button or a plus icon. Tap that option to begin creating the new location. You'll then be asked to enter a name. Choose something clear and easy to recognize, such as home, office, or vacation house. A simple name makes it much easier to identify the location later, especially if you plan to add automations or multiple properties. After naming the location, enter the street address. Be as accurate as possible so SmartThings can place the location correctly on the map. Once you enter the address, check that the pin appears in the right spot. This matters because location-based routines depend on your location being mapped correctly. If the pin looks off, adjust the address and verify it again before saving. When everything looks correct, save the address. Then tap Save or Done to finish creating the location. After that, the new location will be added to your SmartThings account and will be available for use with your devices and automations. To make sure location-based features work properly, you'll also need to enable location permissions for the SmartThings app. On Android, go to Settings, then Apps, then SmartThings, then Permissions, then Location, and choose Allow all the time or the highest level available on your device. On iPhone, open Settings, tap SmartThings, then Location, choose Always, and make sure Precise Location is enabled. Once that's done, your SmartThings location should be fully set up and ready to use.